In this video, we will discuss the basic steps for drafting an initial appearance fee disclosure, or an IAFD. In civil cases, the initial appearance fee disclosure may be a part of the initial filings required when a party appears for the first time in a case. Check your state rules for the required forms. This is typically filed alongside the complaint, civil cover sheet, and summons. Okay, let's get started. Rule number 1 is the caption. As previously stated, every pleading must contain a caption on the first page. So copy the caption information from the complaint and enter it here exactly as it appears on the complaint. As previously discussed, you will not have a case number or department number until the complaint is filed. The title of this document is Initial Appearance Fee Disclosure. The opening paragraph is a commonly used introductory paragraph for this type of document and explains why this form is required. You will enter the plaintiff's name, and on the right side, you will enter the fee required for filing a complaint. Enter the names of additional plaintiffs on a new line and the required fee for each additional plaintiff on the right side. Total the amount, date it, and add the attorney's signature. This completes this video for an initial appearance fee disclosure. The next video will be on how to draft the summons. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions.